wet. You're not like your brothers and sisters there. And you're different. Honk! If I say butterball, does that bother you at all? No. How about the water? Would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to, Mama.
Oh, thank heavens for that. I knew you were one of mine. Now your father's taken the others off for their first swimming lesson. Suppose you and I do the same, right here at the water's edge. Nothing too fancy, mind you. Just the basics to get you started. It's a bit iffy, but it'll soon warm up. The important thing is to not be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid, Mama. Can we swim out to that island?
Oh, good gracious, no. Why, it's farther than you think. I haven't been out there since your father and I were courting. And I didn't mean to go that far then. Now, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Just follow me, and you can take to it like a duck.